Did you know that a powerful idea, when shared effectively, can literally spark a war or save lives, and can surely change your life? Welcome to the transformative realm of TED Talks, where ideas blossom into captivating narratives. But what goes behind those red curtains to deliver a talk that resonates across borders and cultures? Or is public speaking an either you got it in you or not type of skill? Let's uncover the essence with Chris Anderson's practical book, TED Talks, the official TED Guide to Public Speaking. In this video, we embark on a journey through Chris Anderson's insightful book, TED Talks. As the curator of TED, Anderson unveils the art and science of crafting a mesmerizing talk that has the power to change perspectives and inspire action. We will delve into the core elements that define a compelling TED Talk, the process of nurturing an idea worth spreading, and the profound impact a well-articulated talk can have on individuals and society at large. As we dissect the makings of a captivating talk, prepare to unlock the potential of your own ideas and the pathway to share them with the world. Let's start by exploring the cornerstone of TED, the ethos of spreading ideas. TED thrives on the principle of disseminating ideas that have the potential to alter the way we perceive and interact with the world. Chris Anderson emphasizes that a well-articulated idea can transcend boundaries, ignite discussions, and drive action towards meaningful change. The magic lies in the ability of a speaker to share an idea in a manner that resonates, provokes thought, and stays etched in memory. Now, onto the vital components that constitute a memorable TED Talk. But first, I must address the elephant in the room: fear of public speaking. Anderson identifies two dimensions of the fear of public speaking: the immediate fear of humiliation from mishaps like stuttering, and the long-term fear of reputational damage. He emphasizes overcoming these fears, as public speaking is an inevitable aspect of many fields. Tips for overcoming fear include thorough preparation for the speech and managing emotions effectively. Some of the misconceptions of public speaking include: 1. Effective public speakers are always eloquent and polished. The truth is that great talks can be conversational. Misconception 2. Public speaking requires a physical stage and audience. The truth is that digital platforms provide a stage and audience online. Misconception 3. Only revolutionary ideas warrant public speeches. The truth is that even small, meaningful ideas have value in public discourse. Now off to the number one component of a memorable TED Talk. At the heart of every riveting TED Talk lies a compelling idea. It's not merely about relaying information, but unveiling a fresh perspective, a novel solution, or a thought-provoking question. The potency of the idea is amplified by the speaker's passion and belief in it, which becomes the vehicle to carry the audience along in exploration. Developing a solid idea and strong through-line are the first steps to a successful speech, but they don't guarantee you'll make an impact. You must engage your audience. Ensure a solid idea and connection with your audience for a successful speech, says Anderson. That's why we should tailor strategies based on the speech type. Explanatory. Speech strategies include: 1. Relate to current events or the audience's state. 2. Spark curiosity with intriguing questions or images. 3. Introduce concepts gradually with familiar metaphors and clear examples. 4. Avoid or explain jargon. Persuasive speech strategies include: 1. Nudge the audience towards your argument gradually. 2. Prime audience with related imagery or thoughts. 3. Use logical appeals like evidence, if-then statements, and anecdotes. 4. Present and discredit the opposing viewpoint. Universal strategies include: 1. Maintain eye contact. 2. Be humble and vulnerable. 3. Incorporate humor and storytelling. Now for the stage setup. For a comfortable and effective stage presentation, choosing the right setup early is key. Here are some options explored by Anderson. 1. Note cards. Advantages: they are less noticeable and easy for reference. Disadvantages: risk of dropping or mixing, hence a key ring is recommended for order. 2. Small lectern. Advantages: houses the full speech for reference. Disadvantages. It can hinder audience connection, but overcoming this by knowing your speech well for more eye contact is recommended. 3. Confidence monitors and teleprompters. Advantages. Facilitate slide viewing and smooth speech flow. Disadvantages. Risk of audience disengagement. Practicing to reduce dependency on these tools is advisable. Here's a crucial component that sadly most speakers neglect: stage presence. Presentation isn't solely about words and setup, but also how you present yourself. Here are Anderson's guidelines. For wardrobe, dress slightly more formal than the audience, avoiding noisy accessories. For voice and movement, use voice inflection to emphasize, vary speech speed for comprehension, and move naturally to underscore points. But what if your nerves take over? Nervousness is common. Anderson's suggestions is to utilize adrenaline for an energetic presentation. Combat shakiness with some physical activity. Drink water for dry mouth, and focus on deep breathing for calmness. If nerves take over, admitting it can make you more relatable to the audience. These were the core components of a good tiered talk according to the author. Let's transition into how you, too, can harness the power of public speaking to share your ideas. 6 tips. Ready? Let's go. 1. Storytelling is the essence of a magnetic delivery. A well-spun narrative can transport the audience from the realms of curiosity to the epitome of understanding and empathy. By intertwining personal anecdotes, real-world examples, and engaging narratives, speakers create a relatable and emotionally charged journey that underscores the essence of the idea being shared. 2. The delivery of the talk is a stage where the magic unfolds. A confident, authentic, and eloquent delivery can weave a spell around the audience. It's about creating a shared space of exploration, excitement, and enlightenment where the idea can flourish and provoke thought. 3. Visual aids, when employed effectively, can enhance the comprehension and retention of the idea. They should serve as a catalyst to understanding, not a distraction. A delicate balance is needed to ensure that visuals amplify the message, not overshadow it. 4. Preparation is the bedrock of a successful talk. Understanding the audience, refining the message, and rehearsing the delivery are pivotal steps in the journey towards a compelling talk. Embracing feedback, fine-tuning the narrative, and practicing diligently are the stepping stones to mastering the art of public speaking. 5. Fear, often an uninvited companion in public speaking, can be tamed and transformed into a force of connection and authenticity. Anderson suggests viewing nervousness as a testament to the significance of the message and the care towards delivering it effectively. 6. Lastly, the spirit of TED Talks is rooted in the notion of sharing a gift of knowledge, perspective, and inspiration. It's about contributing to a larger discourse, fostering a culture of curiosity, and seeding the clouds of change. Now, let's briefly lay out the key traits of a good TED speaker versus those of a lousy one. Good TED speaker. 1. Engages with the audience, building a connection. 2. Articulates ideas clearly and passionately. 3. Organizes speech coherently with a compelling narrative. 4. Practices thoroughly, showcasing professionalism and respect for the audience's time. 5. Utilizes visuals and body language to enhance the delivery. 6. Handles nerves and maintains a confident stage presence. 7. Invites the audience into a conversation, sparking curiosity and encouraging further exploration. Bad TED speaker. 1. Neglects audience engagement, creating a disconnect. 2. Struggles with clear and passionate articulation of ideas. 3. Lacks a coherent structure or narrative in the speech. 4. Appears unprepared, showing a lack of respect for the audience's time. 5. Fails to effectively use visuals and body language, missing out on enhancing the delivery. 6. Succumbs to nerves, undermining confidence and stage presence. 7. Talks at, not to, the audience without inviting them into a meaningful conversation or sparking curiosity. As you can see, public speaking is not about talent or being genetically gifted. It's about preparation, technique, and ticking all the boxes in Anderson's book, TED Talks. Chris Anderson's TED Talks is a beacon for anyone aspiring to share ideas that matter. It's a treasure trove of insights into the transformative power of public speaking and the potential it holds to shape minds and drive change. If you're ignited by the prospect of sharing your ideas or simply cherishing the art of well-crafted talks, this book is a gateway to a world of possibilities. If you found this summary useful, do explore our other video summaries for a deep dive into a realm of books that inspire, educate, and will definitely change your life. Thank you for watching.